Alright, so we're replacing camshaft sensor on 2001 Chrysler Neon. This is 2-liter engine, 16 valve. So first thing that you're gonna do, you're gonna remove the battery. There are two 10 millimeters on the terminals, and there's a 14 millimeter right here behind it. There's a little plate. The sensor is right here, and it looks like 6 millimeter. Let's see. Actually, it's 8 millimeter. So you can tell that this is original sensor. Look at the head versus this one. This is aftermarket. You can tell, compare. See how the head is squared here versus this one. Which tells me one thing. This has been replaced before and it didn't solve the problem. And timing belt needs to be changed in this car. But so this is original. I applied some silicone outside, cleaned it out. So I'm just gonna connect it, put it back, see if that's gonna fix the problem. If not, you're gonna have to change the timing belt in this one. Just really good for you because there's another video for you. Really tight squeeze. Yeah.
I think we can exchange in here. Yes. With a magnet. Did you find the bolt for that?
Check engine is gone. Hey, if this video helped you out, let me know, give it a thumbs up, and as always, I'm bringing new content every Friday or so. I'm trying to be on schedule every Friday, so there's plenty of more tutorials and how-tos coming up, and just plain old good fun. So please subscribe and cheers.